What? What'd you say? What'd you say? You got some teeth coming in, you say? Right there? That kind of hurt. What else? Huh? What else? Is it a good finger? No, not the best. It doesn't stay where you put it. Really? And then what happened? Yeah? What did he say next? Oh, 3 fingers. That's what he said? What else did he do? Huh? Tickle, 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 tickle. Where? Where'd you go? Really? That's what you did? Okay. Say bye-bye.